Yo, what's good, my people? So, hey, it is Christmas Eve. I done missed about 100 setups. Let me tell you, man, the market been going off. This one right here, I saw this one. You already know the vibes with the stow. Dropped crazy. Missed that one. Missed a few other ones, but I see one setting up right now. What I'm seeing here is a whole lot of zone activity for buys all the way up and through here. So I think I want to catch some of these somewhere up in here. Just trying to see how far he gonna push down before he decide to take that leap, which that might be it. So I'm gonna enter 2 right there for 1 minute buy. Try to get a good 200 out of there. I've been missing so many entries, y'all, that I'm like, bruh, I got to get in here somewhere. But so far, it looks like this was a great buy opportunity, which I wish I would have gotten in at the bottom, of course. Because y'all know up in these areas was clutch because the volatility is so crazy that it could easily turn around. So got to keep that in mind. But so far we pushing good. About 20 seconds left. Looking good. It's all about the zones, man. So I tell you every day, the zones is everything. And New York session ain't even opened up yet. So I'm just waiting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me my paper. On that one and on that one. Holla at your boy. Promise you I could have been at like 9,000 right now. All the setups I saw this morning. I'm like, bro, the market is looking beautiful. See how timing is everything? I'm going to start trying to come down on me. All right. But again, guys, looking to the left, finding these zones, clutch. You know what I mean? Finding all the bounces. Y'all be surprised. I actually hopped in a few OTCs. I know I was hopping in a few OTCs lately as well. You know what I'm saying? Doing the same thing on 5 seconds, finding the zones, hopping in on 5 seconds. But I was doing that on the weekends. I still trade regulars during the week. But on the weekend, if I feel like getting in there, I might still get in there. You know what I'm saying? But it's a lot of setups that's been happening. I'm trying to trade lightly because it is holiday season. So I'm trying to trade lightly, but some of these setups just been looking too good. Let me see what else we got. See, stuff like this. But see, what you got to do is you go to your higher time frame and kind of see bingo. So look, your highest probability, this area in here. So I don't know if this one going to be ready yet. It might happen before then, but from there I would have to go in and kind of do a little bit more digging just to see where we going to be at. But yep, somewhere in here, which is already there. Last time it closed here, shot straight up. So I know that's a good spot. I'm going to go a little bit further to the left. Okay, I do see this candle right here. That shot straight up. So we want to utilize that as well. So I need to put another horizontal line there because that's another heavy zone. And then the in-between, I'm going to put one right here because I see that the market went up right here in this area as well. So now I go back to the M1 and I take a peek at everything. All right, so we did get a small buy here, but my target's is going to be more so down here. So usually if I'm waiting, I'll just throw one of these notification joints on. Boom. And that way I can kind of look around a little bit just to see what else I can find up in this thing. Hold on. That one still ain't quite doing what I needed to do. Let me come back down this way a little bit. I usually hate selling on GJ. That's I'm always buying on GJ. Well, every time I'm trying to zoom out, y'all, this thing is not letting me do it. I be trying to zoom out and see something. Let's see if it let me do it now. Okay. I be trying to zoom out. Look like we already hitting. Ooh, that's a heavy candle too. Sheesh. Oh, that's on the M1. I'm in the H1. All right, so we getting into my zones. I see it's a heavy downtrend though, double clear channel. So I would have to tread lightly on this. Now I could trade it with the trend, but we're getting low on the stove outside the Kellner. Signal starting to say buy, so why not? I might have missed it. Let me see. That could have been it right there. Trying to wait to see if he gonna pop off down here or what. Ooh, yeah, I might have missed it. Because I'm definitely ain't getting in now during momentum. But what I'll do is, he decided to come back down again. I'm gonna try to go look again. Happened a little too quick for me. Let me come to GU, see what GU looking like. Everything kind of looking strange to me. Looking strange to me, bruh. All right, so I'll give y'all this one. Let me show you. We already know where we headed. Big sales on our opportunity up there. Normally, if they go all the way back up there, though, they're trying to make a new high. So I just like to go to the and see where they headed. Okay. So we already know at the top of that one, rejection. That's kind of where we at now. We got major ones up here, but I need to look to the left and see what else I can find. Boom. All right, so got all my sell zones, y'all. Stochastic is high. That's looking good. If I sold first, then I could do it again, but I think we might be going for a new high today, so I'm going to watch this one closely. We're going to watch it closely. I could sell here right now. Like, I really could, but I don't think he's going to do it yet. I'm not buying it. I won't start selling until I get up in here. So if I miss it, I'm just gonna have to miss it. But I feel like he made it all the way back up here for a reason, so I'm gonna be watching it. That was definitely a great sale. That was definitely a great one. I missed that one just to catch the next one. Yeah, that might have took you out towards the end. It's getting close. So I like to sit back and watch my trades, let them play out, catch them right at the next zone. Because I told you the highest opportunity here first. If you play copycat, boom, he about to shoot straight up. Go ahead and go up there. He about to bust out of there in a minute. Okay. Connected. He trying to get up there. Just waiting. Almost there. Yeah, almost to the top. And Euro GBP just went off. Okay. I'm gonna sell once. That might have been premature, but I'm gonna sell once right here. That volatility to the top is crazy. I already knew it. That's why I only did it once. Because we're getting closer to the main drop, so I know they hit it here and then up, probably even further up. It's usually what they do. And now these are even turning around, which is letting me know that we might still be going up a little bit. Let's see. About to go ahead and pass it. Yep. Just like I knew he would. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to definitely lose that one. Double up right here for the sell. Yep, because he did go a little further. Which, of course, the best sell was going to be up here at the top, but see if we can get a good push down. He's stalling, baby. He's stalling, baby. I don't like that because usually when it start down, it usually go up. But we gonna see if we can hold. Oh, broke even on one, got one, I think. Yeah, got one and broke even on one. Trying to wait to see what he do. Let me go look around again. Let's go look around again. Nothing else is really standing out to me just yet. Yeah, nothing else is standing out. I'll be back. All right, y'all. So the market just took a nosedive out of nowhere. Not sure if it was news or what, but I'm gonna go ahead and sell again. I'm gonna continue to sell off since they went ahead and did it. Now it did reject heavy right here, so it could go up some more first and then come down. But I'm like, the momentum seemed to still be dropping, so I had to hop in this one. Let it ride. I said, hey, follow that momentum on this one. See how big that candle dropped out of nowhere. All these right here is buy zones though. Rejection. So hopefully we don't retrace too hard like it did right here. Then I'll be good. I only got about 16 seconds left. Mm-hmm. Just don't go up crazy. Don't do it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Easy money. Boom. Boom. Hey, almost to the 8,000. Now we're getting into the buy zones, the buy territory. But yeah, I took this trade because I just saw the momentum shift. Like, boom. You saw the clear channel, of course. Then that much just dove out of nowhere. So I'm like, okay, either this next candle gonna go straight or it's gonna go here and then drop. But the drop was coming. So I already knew that. But now the buys is coming because you see we outside the Keltner coming down here. That's how all these major zones, stochastic getting low, signal starting to turn around. Buys is coming. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to debate if I want to get in just to hit 8K or what. Let me go down to 40 bucks. See if I want to get in and hit 8K. They could be coming all the way down to the bottom of to the very bottom today. That's what they could be doing. But I'm gonna hop in a 40 right here. I want to buy. That should give me the 8K if I get this one. I think probably not. Nah, that might be like, yeah, I should have doubled that up. Should have doubled that up. But we gonna see. We just now about to get into London session, so New York session, 7:00. So I know the volatility about to kick up. I still think they're gonna come down on this. I just felt like they would go up for at least another minute, which we close, but I don't know if we're gonna make this one. Oh, okay. 3, 2, 1, got it. Oh, that got me to 8K. Cool. So we hit 8,000. goal reach for today. I appreciate you watching. This is how I get it in every day. You know what I mean? So key points to take away. Again, anything outside the Keltner channel, top or bottom, we buy low. We sell at the top when it's outside the Keltner channel. You know, you feel me? I always check for confirmations. My confirmation was outside the Keltner, stochastic low. Signals are starting to say buy. Check for my zones, mark up my zones, of course, just to make sure I'm going to catch the right bounces, and then I'm in there. You know what I mean? Other confirmations, again, if market structure is broken, which was broken here. As you know, market structure on the upside is this, going higher, boom. Market structure got broken because the market did this and then broke this other level right here. So since it broke that, momentum shifted all the way down. So that's when I sold here on that other one. And, you know, we was in there. But again, zones is everything. Look them up, study them, you know, continue to do good work. And you're going to have results, man. What we looking like? Only, one loss today? I've been cooking lately. Only one loss. You watched it. You feel me? So keep doing what you do. Let me show you the end result. So my results, guys, my results are $391 for a little bit of work. Again, I've been growing this account since $100, so we just been growing, man. It's all about the skill. It don't matter the amount you start with. Learn the skill over time. And somebody asked me how long did it take me to grow this? Like a month. All right, so like 100 to 8,000 a month. All right, that's just, you can do this kind of stuff once you master zones, once you master patience, self-control, discipline. Yeah, these are things you can do. But I love y'all, Lord willing. I'll see you on another video. I'll let your boy, let's go.